Hi you guys, I got cut off, so I'm sorry the video is so long, and also my keyboard is so loud. I really don't type that loud, it's just my keyboard. But okay, so I got cut off and I was going right over this how to write an ADI report, so it's just kind of just giving you some tips, right? So once you've got everything like kind of like the draft in, then maybe you want to go through this and take a look, like the method. Again, this is where you had your procedure. I think I said that in the last video, but can someone else duplicate what you did? And your lab was pretty simple, so hopefully they could, because it's just, you know, mixing coffee and water in cups. All right, and then section 3, this is where you need the information from the presentation that we made in class and then you presented on Wednesday. Okay, so the first thing you will do is insert your table with all your data. So it doesn't have to be the first thing in that section, but that's one thing you know you need to include. So I would get it in there and just copy that from the lab assignment that you turned in. And you don't need a graph this time, so don't worry about that. Okay, your first sentence in this section will be your claim. This is what you found to be true. This is what was on your board. And your next sentence, you know, I would refer to the guiding question as well and the evidence and reasoning. But after that, you can explain what the table and graph are showing, what were your results, and then explain why this information is important to us and to science. And then something in real life that supports this claim. So maybe you might want to refer back to the introduction of the lab on that paper, the original lab, where it talked about mold in coffee and those claims that coffee makers are making, something like that. And then compare your claim to other groups. So that's what it kind of talked about in class, but I would really take that information from your board and just put that right in there too, because it'll flow pretty good in this paragraph. Okay, so you want to picture your board in here as well. Okay, and then make sure see if it's error-free. I have the rubric attached as well, but you will be getting to know that intimately next week. So don't worry about that. I should have crossed that out. Okay, and then read your lab report over to make sure it makes sense. Double check the rubric, which is attached, but this will be more important when you turn in the final. And then turn it into not It's Learning, but to Google. I missed that one when I crossed it out. Okay? So hopefully that is helpful. Thank you for watching this, and good luck. And again, we're just doing the rough draft. You're going to do a peer review on Monday or Wednesday or both. We'll see how it goes. Okay? Have a good weekend. Thank you.